Hi everybody, today we're going to learn how to make a survey using Google Forms, how to make a form where you can keep track of different things. So we're going to go to Forms. Under Forms, you're going to say New. You can also go to Drive, click the big plus sign, and start a new one. We're going to start a new generic form. And for one of my classes we're doing this for, we're creating a way to keep track of our reading. Keep track of our daily reading. So we're going to call this AR book form, AR book, I don't know, book summaries. Okay. First thing is going to be book title. That's going to be required. Then page or percentage. So if you're reading a book, you've got to either give like the page you're on or the percentage, you know, like you're 50% done or whatever. I know different systems have different things. Book, page, percentage, chapter, something like that, so we can keep track. Okay. And then oh yeah, let's see, and then what happened, any major events, write a few sentences describing what you, or what I guess you can put what I read. Okay, and that is required. So page, percentages, chapter. Okay, so that's where you're going to keep track of like what page you're on or what percentage you're on. This is going to be where you're going to write just a short summary, and that's it. Now what we're going to do is you click send and you're going to get this link. Okay, we can get a shortened URL and we can get this link. I'm going to copy that and then you can paste it wherever you want. For some of you, we've created a Google Doc, so this can go into that doc. I think I have so many different things. My important school links. Okay, so maybe you've helped create a doc like this, and then so for Leo, you can put you can literally just hit Control V, and you'll paste that link, and then you hit Enter. So now when you click on that, you're going to go to this little form that you'll fill out, and you just do it every time. And then later, if you want to look at the results of your form, so I'm just going to do a pretend one. Cats are fun, and I was on page 5, and I found out how Fluffy secretly loves dog food. That was a big part of that book. And now I submit it. Okay. And I can then always submit another response, like if I read more that day. But the cool thing is, if I go back to my form here, okay, if I click to this form, you can click the pencil here, and then you can actually see responses that you've made. Okay, and you can keep track of your reading, how far you've gone. And there's this other option, which is a spreadsheet, which really isn't as exciting until you've entered lots of data. So, but anyway, that's what you're going to be doing. You're going to be making your own custom form. You can make questions. You could send that link to friends, so you could give them a survey like, you know, what's your favorite food? What's your favorite video game? And then put a list of games, and then they can select, and then you get to see the survey results, kind of like what we do in Zoom, or many of you have done these forms in other classes, and the teachers might share those responses with you. So this is how you do that, and you get to collect that data, and you can send that link to anyone, so anyone can fill that in. This particular form is going to be for you. Also, don't forget to click up here. That makes the title of this thing, whatever this title was, just like in a Google Doc, whatever you have on the top line will become the title of the document. Okay, and then this is saved in your Drive, and you can use it and do things with it later. So anyway, that's how you do it. Hope that helps.